in charge in monitoring the daily attendance of the teachers and the non-teaching staff of this school, tulong ng time catch, mas napapabilis yung pag-monitor ko kung sino yung mga absent on that day. At the same time, kung sino yung mga late na pumapasok. In terms of producing naman ng report, at the end of the month, mas mabilis para sa akin. Hindi na tulad dati na I have to look at the daily DPR of the teachers para lang i-monitor ko yung mga absent and yung mga late.
Bilang isang school head, malaki ang tulong ng time touch because time touch advocate honesty. Very accurate na siya, wala nang human error. Diba? The month, i-harvest na lang namin yung aming time and time out. So, nakatipid kami ng time. Mas punctual na ang mga teachers naman. And then, transparency. Kita na nila yung time in, out sa learning and afternoon learning. And then, yung productivity. Very early sila dahil gusto nila, dahil nag-i-record na yung tamang oras ng in and out. So, mas naging productive sila. Mas maraming time na sila na magturo sa mga. Thank you.
Sa tulong ng Project Time Catch, we were able to manage our time well, which means mas naging conscious kami sa oras ng aming pagpasok sa umaga man o sa tanghali. And in this sense, as class advisor, mas nakikita ko yung work ethics ko na nadidevelop. Dahil sa oras ng pagpasok namin, na-aware kami, mas namomonitor namin ang mga bata namin sa kanilang mga routines, and at the same time, we were able to give them some time para mas makilala ang mga estudyante. In this sense, mas nakikita ko yung sarili ko na effective na guro. At masasabi ko that Project Time Catch is not just about honesty in time, but more of personal and professional development.
Time Catch, streamline employee attendance for a more efficient workplace.